Hey guys, Ben here, doing a different kind of video today, not doing a wallet, doing another leather goods though. I ordered a bag off of Go Forth Goods, a little duffel bag that I'm planning on taking on a trip with me, and thought it'd be cool to do an unboxing. Since this is an unboxing video, there's probably just going to be a couple happy accidents, I guess, if the camera shakes or if it's at an angle or if I mess up my words or something, so bear with me here. I really don't want to like redo it or anything. I think that would kind of take away from the unboxing, but let's just get right into it. So I have been looking into Go Forth Goods for a while now. I think almost like a year ago I made a comment on one of their posts saying that you know, I would have one of their bags one day, and my fiance decided to go ahead and get me one of those bags. So bear with me here, my knife skills are not great with this. I'm trying to work around this camera and not bump it, while also not cutting any of the stuff inside. Alright, let me readjust this. Alright, that was meant already. So we'll just get into opening this. So I got a card, tells me what it is. This is the William Duffel bag, crafted by Caroline. Thank you, Caroline. On the date it was made. So pretty neat. Let's see. Thank you for your purchase. Quality, handmade goods, leather care, some instructions. Wow, look at that. This is awesome. This is really special. Oh man, it's heavy. Let's see if I can get this out of here. Alright. So alright, this is awesome. So this is the William Duffel. So they have a smaller weekender William Duffel size, and then they have a really large expedition size duffel. A couple other duffels too, like a gunner, or the gunner duffel, which is a military style duffel. I really like this one though. Just a simple duffel. There's no pockets on the outside or anything. There's just the one main pocket to get into it. But that's how I wanted it. I just wanted it to be kind of simple, but it's really well made. So it comes in 3 colors. This is the saddle. It also comes in a mocha, which is darker brown, and then a black. It comes with all the hardware on here is solid brass. So they got solid brass hand peen rivets for the straps. They got a solid brass YKK zipper that goes across the length of the bag. So, man, I'm not very good at these unboxing videos, but it's a YKK zipper is, you know, one of the better known zippers out there. I mean, you really use them if you want, you know, a zipper to never really fail on you or get stopped up. But they really use long-lasting hardware and materials. The D-rings and the swivel clips are all solid brass as well. The leather now the straps and the shoulder strap, I believe, is 10 ounce thick. Yeah, 10 ounce thick leather, and the bag itself is 6 ounce thick, so it's thick leather all the way around. And it is an oil tan leather, and it is water resistant, so if it gets rained on, all of your stuff inside won't get wet or anything like that. So it is 2 feet wide, it's 24 inches wide, and it is 11 inches in diameter. So they say on the website that you can carry anywhere from 5 to 7 days worth of stuff in here, depending on if you're a heavy packer or a light packer. There's really not too much to do. I'm not going to pack it out or anything. I'm definitely not prepared for all that. I just got this bag in like 30 minutes ago, just got home, and I wanted to get it out of the box, but so I wanted to do this video. But I really think they're a company worth checking out. They're handmade, you know, all here in the U.S. Out of Marietta, Georgia. And this was very reasonably priced. They do seasonal discounts, you know, for different stuff like that. I think this one I got for like 20% off on their website. So it definitely adds up when you're spending that kind of money. You know, the discounts are nice, and it's just nice that they do that. I mean, it smells phenomenal. I'm not gonna bury my face in it just yet, but I can just smell it from here. It really smells great. I'm really excited to use this thing. Let's kind of take a look on the inside. So maybe I'll just get rid of this thing. All right. So the inside of the bag is unlined. Very soft. Holy smokes, that smells really good. It does have a pocket on the inside, which I believe is about 11 inches by 8 inches, I think. So you can fit some of your smaller items in there. And then let's see, even has my name. They put my name on there, so that's awesome. They do let you put your initials on there, so, and they let me put my whole last name on there, so that's awesome. Let's get this a little bit more. Yeah. So yeah, this is, I'm really happy with it. Can't wait to start using it. I got a trip coming up here in about a month, going away for a few days. I'm excited to use this thing. Something that I can just, you know, throw. This is carry-on size. I can just throw it overhead. I'm not really too worried about beating it up. I don't really care if my leather is pristine or anything. It's supposed to get scratched and, you know, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, so this is the William Duffel bag unboxing. I don't know. I don't think I'll do a review or anything like that. I mean, I don't really see. I'm not a very picky person. I already know I'm gonna love using it. So, man, all the material they use on this thing is just phenomenal. I really, really recommend you guys go and check out some of their other stuff that they got. They got a whole bunch of kinds of bags, wallets, leashes, a whole bunch of, you know, tote bags too. Yeah, I just want to say, like, one last time, go check them out. They're awesome. Handmade in the US, last a long time. Not going to be swapping this out too often. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them. And yeah, so I'm glad to add this to the list. Like I said, I don't think I've seen too many videos on this, like hands-on videos. So I think this is just a good opportunity to, I guess I didn't really show the underside of the bag. This is all one solid piece of leather too. I mean, aside from the sides, it just wraps all the way around. It's one solid piece, which is awesome. So very durable, very strong. Can't wait to use it. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.